What's going on, guys? Andrew here with Camper Kingdom in Meridian, Mississippi, and just rolled through the gate is this new 2021 Forest River Sandpiper model 391FLRB. Last year this model was the 379FLOK. Unit's around 42 feet long, 13,000 pounds. A little bit of an outdoor kitchen here. No grill with this unit though. You do have the little mini fridge there with hot and cold water access. A little bit of a cabinet space there with some cool lights underneath. 6-point hydraulic leveling. Loads of outdoor storage. Look at this. Let me show you this pass-through storage. In the past, a lot of other units would put a pull-out rack here in the back. This year, Sandpiper has taken that rack and placed it on the side. Low capacity of about 800 pounds, so that's about one of me. Just joking. Super nice. Your dumping stations are for your hoses. You have 2 on this unit because you do have a bath and a half option there. You have 2. Up here where your water management system is at. All your levers for your black tank flush, your satellite hookup, hot water heater bypass, and your inline filter. And your pass-through storage still up here in the front, but with all that storage in the back, I don't know what I'd put up here. Anyways, this is the outside. We are going to move around and get going on the inside. All right, guys, on the inside of this new Forest River Sandpiper, things are a little bit different from the previous model, the 379. Got an upgrade on the oven here. Each one of the eyes will produce a different BTU as far as heat goes. Convection microwave that's 30 inches across. Even has the bigger stainless steel refrigerator with a, I call this an under-over freezer on the bottom, double doors up here on the top. Here's your main controls. These have changed this year as well. You actually select between the selector switch here for which slide you want to operate, as well as even the awning. This is already, the control pattern is pretty much standard for the tank heater, so you notice it says optional there. Hot water heater, gas or electric switch there. Come up into the main living area here. Both of these are sleeper sofas. Sorry for the shaking here. Both of these can be let out at the same exact time. Leaves you about 8, maybe 12 inches of space in the middle there. The television is in the down position at the moment, but it will rise up to give you a little bit of a TV view there. About 50-inch TV. Here's your switch down here for that. Anyways, fireplace here, 32 inches straight across. Does produce enough heat that will probably run you out of this whole entire camper. No, I'm just probably exaggerating a little bit there. Cool LED lights underneath the recliners there, cup holders on the side. Just a simple double tap will turn all those lights on. There's the cup holder look there. Going into the kitchen, you got the half bath option here, right there in the next to the sink. Stainless steel farm type sink, I think that's what my wife calls that. Freestanding table with 4 chairs. There is a leaflet with this unit here. Simple pickup and the leaf will pull out, extending the range of the table. Fully dark out shades all the way throughout on this unit here. They are a slow rise. Take a look at this half bath we got going here. This has been requested by many customers. Main living area going up, you got storage here on the left, a little bit of closet space for hanging. King size bed. Unit does come with 2 15K Coleman Mac air conditioners, each run by their own individual thermostat. Here's a look at the storage area in the master bedroom for all your clothes. TV connections, TV could go there. There is a TV connections there. Sliding doors here for going into the master bath. Washer and dryer connections on the right. Excuse the box, I need to get that taken out. Stackable unit, we do sell those in our parts store here in Meridian. His and her sinks back here in the back. Actually a big mirror too. Pretty cool accent lights going around it. It's pretty cool. Flip around here, I'm going to show you your toilet area. That is a porcelain toilet, foot flush. and the shower. So I am 6'2", and I've got about 5 inches over my head right now before my head would touch, just to give anybody a general idea of how big this camper is. If you like this video, go ahead and down below, I would appreciate it if you would just go ahead and lightly tap that like button. If you'd like to see more content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As always, check us out on the web at www.camperkingdom.com. Come see us.